What's up guys? In today's video, not only am I going to teach you how to get a 5-star review every single time you do a job with your home service company, but I'm going to teach you how to deter those negative reviews so you can handle it one-on-one with your customer instead of being publicly posted on your Google My Business or your Facebook page. The best part is it's completely free. I'm going to break it down step by step so you can go do it for your business. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to build a page like this, as well as how to get a postcard like this that deters these reviews and helps you get even more 5-star reviews. But before I jump into it, let's talk about why 5-star reviews are important for a home service company. 5-star reviews are critical for your success because people that have disposable income, those top earners, they don't care about messing around with a bunch of different companies that might not have insurance or might do poor quality work, because their most valuable asset is their home, and that's on the line. So people that have disposable income, those high income earners, that's your target market hopefully, they're gonna go to Google and look for who the best company is, pick up the phone and give you a call. If you have a good script, you're professional on the phone, the price is irrelevant at that point. However, if you have 6 reviews or 8 reviews just like everybody else, you're not gonna draw on those top tier customers, plus you're not gonna be able to charge premium prices for your services. The tools we're gonna be using for this video today are Canva and Bitly. That is it. Now let's jump into the lesson. So this is what we're gonna be building first, and then towards the end of the lesson, I'm gonna be teaching you how to build the physical component of this, which is critical. It's gonna get you way more reviews, especially when you're on site. So starting off with this, let's demo how it works. So let's say someone says 1-star service. What it's gonna do is pop open here where I've built this landing page out. You could also do it straight on Canva too if you'd like, but ours is built on the back end with HubSpot. So I put my name, their email, and then they'd come in here and be like, I hate you guys, you suck. And then they submit it. Now that email is gonna come to me or my production manager, then they can give them a call and figure out what the issue is and solve their issues. So we have that for all the way from 1 star all the way to 4 stars. However, if someone clicks on 5-star, it's gonna pull up our Google My Business profile. Bang. And then they can leave that 5-star review, which is absolutely awesome. So 1 star to 4 star, it's gonna pull up into a landing page where someone can give feedback so we can respond to them directly. If they give 5 stars, it's gonna go right to our Google My Business profile so they can give us that 5-star review. How do we build this? So we're gonna go to Canva, and then we're gonna go over here to website. Hit website, and then let's start with the background. So we have our website here. You don't wanna make it larger than 1 page. So what I'm gonna do here, I'll choose the background color. The next thing I might add is, let's say my logo, add my logo in here. So I'll just make it kind of sloppy for now. I'll put the logo in here. And then the next thing we're gonna do is these little squares here. As you can see that we have thanks for your review. If you're happy with the work and leave us a review, be entered to win a $1,000 holiday lighting gift card. You could also put in there a $25 off of your next service or something like that, or you could do a giveaway for another service that's later on in the season. Boxes, so now we have our boxes here. To do that, I'm just gonna type in rectangle, and we can have it here. Let's make it white. And then I'm just gonna adjust the shape like this with my arrow. Cool, simple enough for now. And then we'll do we'll start with 1 star. 1-star service. Okay, and then I'm gonna make it fit in the box. And now this is where the magic happens. So first thing we're gonna do is I'm going to click on this. And I can link this to that landing page that we had open right here. So I'm just gonna copy that, link here, and then it's done. Now what we can do is we'll group these together, but before we do that, I will copy and paste this. We'll do an example for 2 stars. So that right there is gonna pull them to the landing page, and then I'm just gonna group it together like that. That way I can kind of move it around, it's gonna stick. Now, let's do 2-star service. I'm gonna show you guys another example where it goes to your email. 2-star service, and then let's say you don't wanna build a landing page or you're not good with that, etc. What I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna simply select it all, hit link, and then I'm gonna have it pull open the email. Bang. So now when somebody clicks on that, it's gonna open their email to send you an email so you can call them again instead of it going to your Google My Business. Group it, just like that. So now let's continue that process and clean it up a little bit. So as you can see, I've cleaned it up quite a bit. And I linked some of them to email, some of them to the landing page just to give you guys a demo. And now what we're gonna do is the 5-star rating. And all you do for that is type in your business on Google, and then when you hit write a review, copy that URL and paste it in here. It's a very long URL, but it works. There we go. Perfect. So now everything looks pretty good. I'll probably come back later and clean it up a little bit. I'm just gonna hit publish website. Like that. And then you can do free domain, continue, publish. And now our landing page is published. So if I click on 5-star review, it's gonna pull up our Google reviews. If I click 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, or 1-star, it's either gonna pull open the email or it's gonna take you to that landing page that I showed you before. So now we have this long, ugly URL. I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna go into bit.ly, and then hit create new link. And see how it's kind of ugly, testy.mycanva, and then I'm gonna call this is just for internal, 5-star review. And then what I'm gonna do here is customize the back half, and I'm gonna call this, I don't wanna take a good one for us, but let's call it Pad Pal Reviews. I'll put an extra E in there. And then I'm also gonna generate this QR code, and you'll see why in a second. And then we're gonna hit create. So now we have this short link, and the reason why we want this short link, first off, it just looks really good. It's way better than a big long one, but if you're sending it via text message, it's gonna look a lot better, and then it's also not gonna pull up a big window or anything like that when you're sending it via text. Now, you can also see that we have this QR code, and this is gonna take me into the second half of this lesson. So, like I said, whether you have workers out there and they're asking the customers, or they might forget to ask the customers, what we like to do is give them a postcard that looks like this. So this postcard right here, what I have is I have them printed out, laminate them, and then we're gonna put that QR code that we got from here, we're gonna download it quick. And I'm not gonna make it too sexy right now, but I'll go back afterwards and do it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna import this photo here, and then we're gonna put that QR code on this postcard here. So now what we do is we're gonna laminate this, right? We're gonna laminate this and we're gonna put it in every single work vehicle we have. You can make multiple QR codes so you can track who's actually getting their scanned. So I would do that same process on bit.ly, make multiple different links. That way each guy that works for you, you can track how many times they got it scanned, you can do challenges with them, whoever gets the most 5-star reviews, and you can just most importantly, track if they're actually asking customers. So when you're done the job, I would have this printed off. Be like, oh, did you like the work we did today, Ms. Schneebly? We're having a company competition, whoever can get us to 50 reviews this week, I already have 5. Can you give us a quick review? And then you show them the QR code scanner. They're gonna scan that, and then it's gonna register that Jimmy had 6 scans this week, 5-star reviews on Google, and he might win the $25 or $50 or whatever kind of challenge you want to do. And that QR code is going to go here. If you want to have the challenges, just make sure that you go on bit.ly and make multiple different ones. But this right here is going to not only be able to give you a link to go and send people after every single job, or send it through an email campaign to this so you can filter out any negative reviews and respond to them appropriately. But if you go and do that postcard, this is just on Canva, postcard size, nice and simple with the QR code. You can print those in your vehicle. Even if you are an owner-operator, print it off, laminate it, and then instead of like talking back and forth and all that, you can just have them scan the card. It's gonna pull open on their phone right away, and they're much more likely to give you a 5-star review. And it's as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you need more help with starting or scaling your home service business, check the description. I'll throw some templates in there, as well as make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram @AdamRChap, and I'll see you in the next video.